bakuma kaunti ya Meru barabethirite nindi bakiringairwa kura mwana bakoloto ibanyithitwe Muuma ntuku yeruari ndene ambunge ya kaunti ya Meru omone ndi akioneka wika kirekaniro kia kuritira mu Meru ngui na inya yonthe nkuruki kainda rukiri nindi koti ni kwithirite kirita watho bakurigiria MCA bana bakoroto kunyithwo Muuma muthuri Muriuki nethirite nindi akithiataira ontubone ni ambunge ya kaunti ya Meru atutumira ripoti ye
ira muthina ndi bunge ithatu ndene kaunti ya Meru nyombite kujura ujo ni MCA 69 kunywa Muuma ntuku enarua bakiujura kioto kio kikatiba umoko mo bakinywa Muuma juju kibaraboro tini biama na inyabara bathuri ni antu.
I, Evans Moira Karia, do solemnly swear that I shall always truly and diligently
serve the people and the Republic of Kenya
to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all time respect,
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya,
and that I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya
and the laws and the Convention of Parliament,
and that I shall do justice to all.
So help me God.
So help me God.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Naja nandi bonde batu MCA.
Allow me to take this opportunity to congratulate you all on your accession to the office of Member of County Assembly in accordance with Article 74 of the Constitution.
Na undubra botegiri mono kikunyo Muuma juju ni MCA bana bakorotwa mbara kuringana koti rukirero narua kugurukira mugambithania Edward Murethi wa koti nene ndene kaunti Meru na ukayako nongika kunyithwa Muuma kwao nyumesa ricio thuranira kwithwa ikitie gamba kotini ndakurigiria bana baba akioni bone tatwanya twantu bara bena mawatho ndene kaunti Meru.
A conservatory order is hereby issued prohibiting and restraining the clerk of the county assembly from presiding over the swearing in of the published marginalized persons in Gazette Notice number 10712, volume CXXV number 186, schedule 1, Meru County 0012 marginal.
Amno bubu bana baba ibombere kunywa Muuma ona Kenya kethra koti ya Meru ne kugitete ate baketho bakenyithwa Muuma.
The petition, together with the application dated 16/9/22, is to be served upon the respondent, the clerk of the county assembly, the political parties listed in the Gazette Notice number 10712, volume CXXV number 186, schedule 1, Meru County, marginalized list, forthwith, together with the persons shown as nominated thereunder, to enable them file and serve the respective responses before close of business tomorrow, the 22nd of September 2022. The matter shall then be heard on Friday, 23rd September 2022 at 10 a.m.
Kegutegero nandi ni kuna nitagaria dikurikethwa rijukwa ni koti thukinya nyuma ya kuga ndu baba anyithwe Muuma ibombete kunywa Muuma ntuku enarua
na inkwenda gutariria nkiuga gatiri amwe na buu kinya twetania na katiba no monka batu tukathingata katiba monka tuone tuguchinjia the electoral laws ile igutuma batu kwithirwa twina loopholes ile igutuma alemavu bagatwanya twao igitari
kwa kiama kia UNDA no nkwenda akiekwa nkenda kumenya ubane nkerete gite giakwa nendisaberete type iriko ikategori iriko na ile stand number kire PWD in Meru.
Ikiripotera World TV beta muthuri Muriuki.